Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by reducing chain tension. Shift to the smallest ring and cog so the chain hangs loose. Once done, inspect the chain for the missing link. The master link has distinctive clip or pins. Make sure to orient the link plates so you can reinsert a new link or reattach the clip. Use pliers cautiously. You want control, not brute force. Keep a rag and light lubricant handy to catch grime and ease reassembly, because clean parts seat together more reliably. You now focus on the detailed reconnection. If the original link is intact, align the pins and press plates together until they snap. If it's missing or damaged, insert the new master link halves so the clip engages the grooves. Once positioned, use a chain tool or pliers for final seating. Apply steady pressure and avoid sideways bending of plates. Then slowly rotate the cranks to confirm each roller passes through the cassette smoothly, and make sure the link moves freely. You finish by verifying safety. Pedal under low load and shift through all gears to confirm stability. Once satisfied, apply a drop of chain lubricant to the link and wipe away excess so dirt won't cling. If you encounter a stiff or binding link, stop immediately. Back the link apart and reseat it correctly, or replace the master link entirely because a compromised link can fail unexpectedly. Remember, a careful retest after any correction is essential for safe riding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.